More and more companies are registering American companies in order to better establish an international brand image. When registering an American company, choosing the right state is a big step towards success. Today, let's compare and analyze the advantages and disadvantages of the major popular states in the United States. First, let's talk about the practical uses of setting up a U.S. company. 1. Brand promotion. This type of American company usually does not have actual business. Depending on the industry, companies in different states can be selected to increase brand added value. For example, the fashion, cosmetics, and finance industries can choose to register in New York. Agriculture, forestry, fishery, and tourism industries can choose to register in Florida. Education industries can choose to register in Pennsylvania. Technology and internet industries can choose to register in California. If you need to apply for a company name ending with fund, association, or bank, you can register in Colorado. 2. Actual business operations. If the business partners cover the entire United States, or even countries and regions outside the United States, such as e-commerce trade, then in addition to considering the convenience of opening an account, the location of major customers and the location of warehousing, tax planning is the eternal focus of establishing a company. Customers should choose the state of registration in a targeted manner according to their future business expectations for the company to be established. Next, let's introduce the conditions of each state. 1. California. The federal profit tax rate is 21%, the state profit tax rate is greater than or equal to 8.84%, and the basic tax is $800. Los Angeles and San Francisco, where world-renowned internet giants gather, and Silicon Valley, the world's technology center, are all in California, but the basic state tax is high. Regardless of whether you actually operate or make a profit, you must pay a fixed state tax every year. 2. New York State. The federal profit tax rate is 21%, the state profit tax rate is greater than or equal to 6.5%, and the basic tax is $800. The basic tax in New York State is not a fixed $25, but is paid based on the highest value of net profit, turnover, and assets. New York State has a high reputation and economic status. It has developed fashion, finance, and internet industries. It has the largest New York harbor and the world's financial center, which is suitable for international trade and investment. Its abundant resources are also conducive to entrepreneurship. It is suitable for the development of agricultural science and technology industries and import and export trade industries. It has a large population density and is convenient for on-site operations. 3. Washington State. The federal profit tax rate is 21%, there is no state tax, and it is well known internationally. Well-known companies such as Microsoft and Starbucks are both in Washington State. However, the sales tax in Washington State is relatively high, so it is not suitable for companies engaged in direct-to-consumer trade. The registration cost is relatively low, so it is suitable for startups. 4. Delaware. The biggest feature is that there is no sales tax, no personal property tax, inventory tax, intangible property tax, etc. One person can start a company without operating it. There is an offshore tax exemption policy, which is very suitable for startups to integrate into the U.S. market. However, the unique franchise tax amount is not fixed. Delaware is the capital of the world's companies and the most popular state for establishing a company. The registered capital and operation and maintenance costs are low. The tax-free state is suitable for companies that do not actually operate financing and go public and create American brands. 5. Colorado. The lowest registration and maintenance costs, relatively low state tax rates, is the choice of a large number of Amazon customers, but the visibility is somewhat low, the population density is small, not conducive to later field operations and hiring employees. Comprehensive evaluation. Colorado has the lowest registration price among all states in the United States. There are basically no restrictions on company names and low maintenance costs. It is suitable for companies with limited budgets that want to package American brands and do not actually operate in the United States. Okay, so now you know how to choose the right state. If you have any other questions you would like to consult, you can also leave a comment with us. See you in the next issue.